Imagine sitting down for a high-stakes exam. You're staring at a blank page, trying to recall one specific detail you studied months ago. No notes, no textbook, just you, your memory, and a ticking clock. Today's standard large language models, or LLMs, are in a similar spot. They are like brilliant students who have memorized billions of pages of text, but they are essentially taking a closed-book test every time you ask them a question. But there's a limit to that memory. Their training data has a strict cutoff date. They are frozen in time, meaning they are blind to current events and completely unaware of your company's private internal records. When you ask an AI a specific question it wasn't trained on, it relies on that static memory to confidently guess. In the AI world, this confident guessing is called a hallucination. It might give you outdated statistics, get confused by industry terminology, or mix up different concepts because they share the same words. While these models are great at conversation, relying on that closed-book memory makes them too unpredictable to trust with critical business or personal tasks. There is a way to fix this. It's called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. It changes the rules of the test by giving the AI an open book to reference. The first step is creating a library of facts for the AI to use. This can be anything from live news feeds and product manuals to your organization's private HR documents. However, an AI doesn't read files the way we do. To help it find information quickly, your documents are converted into a specialized mathematical index called a vector database. Think of this database as a map for ideas. Instead of searching for exact words, the AI can travel to the right neighborhood of meaning. This lets it find the right facts, even if your question uses slightly different phrasing than the source document. By turning your files into this searchable map, you create a living source of truth that exists entirely outside of the AI's original training. Let's see how this works in practice. Suppose an employee asks a chatbot, "How much annual leave do I have?" This triggers the R in RAG, retrieval. Before the AI even tries to talk, it scans that vector database to find the specific, relevant documents, like the company's leave policy and the employee's personal record. Next is the A for augmentation. The system packages the employee's original question together with those freshly retrieved documents to create one expanded set of instructions. Finally, we have G for generation. This combined package is handed to the AI. Because it now has the facts right in front of it, it can construct an accurate, personalized response. You can keep this library updated with new files constantly. The AI gets the latest information without you ever needing to change the core model itself. The RAG workflow changes how the AI behaves. It stops relying on what it remembers from the past and starts focusing on the verified evidence it was just handed. The traditional way to update an AI is to retrain the foundation model. That's the original, massive AI brain that was pre-built on general data. Retraining that entire brain is incredibly expensive and takes a massive amount of computing power. RAG is much more cost-effective. You only pay to update your own reference library, bypassing the need to retrain the massive model from scratch. It also builds trust. Because the AI is looking at specific documents, it can cite its sources, providing links or footnotes so users can see exactly where the information came from. This gives developers much more oversight. They can restrict sensitive information to certain users and quickly fix errors by checking exactly which internal document the AI referenced. If we look back at our student, the scene has changed. With the right reference materials open on the desk, the pressure to guess disappears. RAG pairs the conversational skills of a language model with the accuracy of a verified research library. Cloud services like Amazon Bedrock now automate the complex parts, handling the database conversions and information retrieval for you with just a few clicks. To start building your own RAG-powered applications, visit the AWS website today.